Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's get into it. So if you're watching this right now, you're probably someone who's a content creator, and I'm pretty sure you've seen other channels doing things that just don't line up with what's best practices. These are just a few that stood out in my research. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. So the first thing that I've noticed content creators are doing wrong on YouTube is not optimizing their descriptions. And today we've got all types of information on the internet. People are searching for different things, looking for different answers to questions, solutions to problems. And what I've learned to do in my channel is to make sure that all of my descriptions are optimized. We can do that according to what we've searched for, even in our own research online. And we can do that not just for the AI system, but also for the human experience. As a matter of fact, check this out. I did my research. It says right here, it's not just the title where keywords should be added, but all other elements, including our description. So think about that when you put your next video together. How can you optimize your description according to relevant keywords? What I would do is use a little curiosity, use a little bit embellishment. You can exaggerate some things as long as you're able to deliver on what you exaggerate about. And by the way, maybe you've heard of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is one of the #1 engine optimization tools that we could use connected with your YouTube channel. So check out TubeBuddy with the link in the description, or you can just go to tubebuddy.com/StevonJBiz. That's my link and I'll get credit for that. Optimize your description, all right? The second thing the content creators are still doing wrong on YouTube is marketing their channels as made for kids. And I thought about that when I first started my channel. I said, you know, my channel is safe for kids to watch. I don't use any foul language. I don't talk about adult themes. So my channel is safe, definitely safe for kids. But I had it all wrong. And so it's not so much as being safe for kids as if it's made for kids. Check this out, like this right here. Let me zoom in for you. It says comments are turned off. Learn more. So a lot of times we'll mark our channels as made for kids. Not that it's made for kids, but it's safe for kids. So what I've learned to do is to do research, and as long as it's not specifically made for kids, make sure you go in your back office and you can check where it says, no, this content is not made for kids. That'll give you the opportunity to have comments on your channel. Maybe some of you are just starting out and you don't know this. So I said, let me put this together and share this with others because I didn't know at first. But now I know that as long as your channel is not specifically made for kids and is safe for kids, do not mark it as made for kids because you won't be able to get that feedback just like that. And the third mistake that content creators still make on YouTube is creating a niche in the wrong way. Some of us are niching down so far that we're not able to build an audience and build a family. And so what I've learned to do on my channel is not so much as think of a certain topic or a certain idea, but think of the audience. It is more so of a audience, not a limiting idea. So keep that in mind as you go through your channel and build your channel to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level. So what I've had to do on my channel, I've had to redefine the whole idea of what having a niche is really all about. And for me, it's not so much as limiting myself to a certain topic and idea. It is more so of finding an audience that's into the things that I do. So keep that in mind for your channel. Maybe there's a way that you could redefine the whole idea of what it really means to have a niche. And if this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit the subscribe button. Let's do our content right together. Join the family. Love to have you as a part of the Next Level community. Now I've got some extra bonus points that I want to share, and I'll tell you about those 3 things every content creator needs for success. But if you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button for me. Thank you. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you, like I talked about, what works for one channel may not necessarily work for another channel. There's a lot of things that we can do in our own channel. Experiment, taking the chances, being able to step out the box, being able to take a chance and bring something new to the platform. And maybe you're watching this right now and all you really need is some mindset strategies, the mentality of being a content creator. It can get tough sometimes. It really can get tough. I want to share this video with you right here. 3 mindset methods every YouTuber needs to succeed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Grab some product and take it home with you. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.